Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD, and the DXY. You know how it is. And today basically just want to run through my analysis for the week, and basically what I'm anticipating going forward on gold is a basic bearish continuation here on gold. So what I'm anticipating is a little continuation and a break of this level here of 1935, a retest of it, and a continuous movement to the downside to possibly retest 1880, 1890 region. So that's my first bias on gold, and basically we could actually get maybe a little bit of a movement above these regions here, breaking through these weeks. Then we might actually get a possibility to retest this region one more time, and then still come back to the downside, break this level, and continue to the downside. All right, so that's like a second option. Well, basically I will be bullish on gold if gold breaks this region. It is a very strong resistant region, so if price breaks this region of 1985, I'll be anticipating a retest of it and continuation to these regions and possibly break and continue. So maybe like a bullish movement or a bullish trend continuation if price breaks through 1980, 1985. So that's basically that for gold, and let's see how that will play out. On pound USD, a little bit of correlation there. So basically anticipating structures to go short from these regions here, and basically come back to these regions and maybe retest 1.22 this week. And we could also maybe possibly see price come back to this region before doing that move. And if that doesn't happen, a break of price above 1.2677, then we can actually say, okay, the pound is strong, and then we could continue a bullish movement. For now, I'm looking for a bearish movement from these regions to the downside for the week, possibly even breaking 1.22, but that would be a lot of volatility. So for this week, I'm anticipating price to come take out these previous lows from last week. Basically last week or last 2 weeks. Yeah, so that's that on pound USD. On USDCAD, I'll be anticipating a bullish movement from this. Price is back at a very strong resistant region, and so nothing that I'm anticipating more than price moving to this start a bullish movement. But we could also consider price breaking through this region and retesting 132 and below. So that could also be possible. Maybe two things again. So maybe price breaking into these regions and continue to the upside. But I'll be very confident to sell if price ends up, breaking through these regions here of 1.32. That means we might just be looking at a very bearish DXY. Price will now continue to this side. So basically this is what I'm anticipating for the week, a bullish continuation from this region to the upside, or we could retest these regions of 1.32 before continuing to the upside, or we could finally break this region and then continue to the downside. And let's finally see DXY. Let's just use the 4 hours time frame. What I'm anticipating for DXY is a bullish continuation from this region here to the upside. Regardless, it looks like it might want to continue to the downside. If it does, we will see a bearish continuation on USDCAD, a bullish continuation on pound USD, and a bullish continuation here on gold. So back to the DXY, two things. If price continues to reject this region it is right now, then we might actually get maybe price price coming back to create a double bottom here and then continue to the upside, or we could break through this region and retest this region and continue to the upside. And lastly, we might actually just break through this region, retest, create a support, a resistance here, and continue to the downside. Regardless, if this retest here and create a double bottom and continue to the upside, we will be bearish on gold which means this continuation. Bearish on pound USD, which means this bearish continuation, and then bullish on USDCAD. And the later is the case whereby we'll be bullish on the correlating pairs. So that's that for the week. I'm excited for the new week, and I hope we're going to back pips. My best setup here for the week is gold. I'm looking to get for setups to just better entries here on gold to go short, and yeah, let's see how the week will end. Back some peeps. I'll see you guys on Friday or Saturday for Outlook for the recap, and then enjoy your week. Ciao.